If we have multiple websites in an organization, we may want to give them some kind of consistent branding. So for example, a consistent core branding color. One way to do this is to define some Sass files in one project and then reference them from the other web projects. So here we've got web project 1 and web project 2. And we've also got this common branding project. And in this common branding project, we've got this variables file and this core brand file. So the core brand file imports the variables CSS, which includes the branding colors and typeface here. So here we're styling the header 1 to be the primary brand color and also use the set brand typeface and the base font size. Again, these variables are defined in this separate file here. So here we've got primary brand color green, brand typeface Comic Sans, and base font size 30. In our web application 1 and web application 2 here, we've got our CSS, and we've got our Sass site file here. And if we open this up, we're importing the core brand Sass file from this common branding project. So here we're just using these two dots to go up a level in the directory. So here we're going up from the CSS folder to the web application folder, and this second set is going up another level to the solution folder. And now we're at the solution folder, we can head into the common branding project here and reference this core brand Sass file. And in this web application 1, we're setting the body background to dark grey and the paragraph color to white. So different applications may have specific substyles, but we always want certain things to belong to this core brand, which we're importing here. If we look at web application 2, again we're importing core brand, but this time we're setting body to black and color to orange. So let's have a look at this web application 1. We can see our header styles coming here from our shared Sass file, Comic Sans green, and the rest of the styles here being specific to the application. So we've got grey background and white text, coming from grey background and white text in web application 1. If we look at web application 2, again we're referencing the core brand, so our header will be the same. But this time we've got black background and orange text. Again, this is coming from the site-specific styles here, black background and orange text. So now we've got multiple web applications referencing this core brand Sass file. Any changes we make to this core brand Sass file or the underlying variables, we can propagate through to all of our websites. So let's go and do this. Let's change our primary brand color here from green to orange, and we'll set our base font size here. Let's make it really big. Now if we save this file here, so we're using this underscore, which means we won't get some CSS generated, and even if we did, this is just a common branding folder, we'll never actually deploy this web application here. If we run one of these two projects here, we won't actually see the changes now. So in web application 2, we still get the green 30-point header. So to pick up the changes we make to our core branding styles here, we actually have to go and regenerate the Sass files for these two web applications. So we can just open it up and hit save. And this will have regenerated our CSS here. Note this time we've got orange and 60 points. And if we run this, now we can see our header take these new styles, orange and 60 points. So that's how we can create a common branding web project here, and even though we don't deploy it, we can use it to define our Sass. We can then make reference to things that we want to be common through all of our applications, such as core branding colors or typefaces, in each of the web applications that we develop.